Hi friends, this short practice is good for starting your day or finishing your day. Let's begin. Take a very comfortable sitting posture. You can take cushion or a block underneath your sitting bone. Cross your shins underneath your legs, palms facing up. Curl your thumb first fingertip touching each other. Take an inhale, lengthen spine through tailbone to crown to head. And exhale, gently close your eyes. Relax the muscles around face, eyebrows, third eye softening. Slightly open your teeth and jaw, throat softening. And begin to breathe with intention. Deepening and slowly your breath. And as you settle into stillness, notice where your mind goes. When it leaves this moment and this room, notice and return your attention to your breath. And slowly deepen your breath to lower abdomen. Let your belly slightly rise up. And with an exhale, gently draw your navel into your spine. Continue your breath for several rounds. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, shoulder, arms, fingers, relax. Take one long inhalation. With exhale, gently open your eyes and release your fingers. Inhale, arms, sweep overhead, interlock your hands, pushing hands up. Exhale, twist towards your left side. Inhale, back to center, arms overhead, pushing hands up. Exhale, twist towards your right side. Inhale, gazing forward. And walk your right hand towards side. Left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, side bend towards your right. Open your chest. Right shoulder, elbow soften down. Coming back to center. Inhale. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, and gently stretching towards your left side. Inhale, coming back to center. Exhale, right hand down, sit back and cross your legs. Release your legs. Hands top of your thighs, pushing your heels away. And point the toes forward, sit nice and tall. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point the toes forward. And rotate your toe from out, in, four, out, in, four. Change direction, in, out, and four. Relax your legs and bend your knees. Open your feet hip and width apart, palms together, and elbows inside your legs, and pressing your elbows out to help open your knees, growing tailbone down, middle chest up. This simple yogi squat help release tension around lower back and up and spine. Draw your hands down, exhale. Feet pressing down, squeeze your hips up, toes full, heels in, keep your feet hip and width apart, knees slightly soften, hands heart, elbow or forearm each other, forehead resting top forearm, hand down in here. Let your spine, each vertebra, hand down from tailbone to crown to head, and then we swing from side to side. Hand, let your spine, gravity drop down. Help relax tension around each vertebra. Hands top of your shins. Lift your chest, stretching from hips. Inhale. Exhale, knees soften slightly. Hands on your hips. Navel in, tailbone down, slowly rolling up each vertebra. Hands down, walk yourself to top mats. Feet standing together. Roll the shoulder blades back, standing in mountain pose. Sun salutation, arms overhead. Inhale. Rock the thumbs, straight your arms. Exhale, fold from front of your chest, from hips. Hands drop down either side of your feet. Inhale, lifting chest. Exhale, bow in, right leg step back. Roll the shoulder blades back. A lunge pose. Pressing the palms down, left toe up, right heel draw back. Navel drop in your core, step your left leg back to a plank. Heel pressing back. Open your chest. Knees drop down, half plank. Elbow hug into middle ribs, chaturanga. Chin down, stretching forward, belly down. Roll the shoulder blades back and chest up. Use back muscles. Lift your chest up. Exhale, forehead down. Roll shoulder blades back. Elbow hug into middle ribs. Coming up. A cobra. Again, inhale. Exhale, lengthen forehead down. Inhale, draw your head back towards your hips. Child's pose, forehead down, arms straight. Each fingers open wider, your arm away from mat. Inhale, coming up halfway. Looking down between your hands. Curl your toes down. Hips still towards your hips. Each finger separating wider. Root each fingers down. Use your leg. Extend your hips away from hands. A puppy dog. Bend your knees first. Chest jaw towards your legs. And pressing the right heel down. Bend your left knee. Pressing the left heel down. Bend your right knee. Pressing heels down one by one. Several times. And gazing between your hands. Feet close together. Inhale, right leg up. Keep your hip and right foot toe pointing down. Draw the right knee in, curl in right hand, coming up, step forward inside of your right hand. Or halfway, then use the right hand, bring your right foot step forward. A lunge pose, shoulder blades draw back. And slowly rock your left foot forward, flex and draw inside of your right foot. Inhale, chest up, halfway. Exhale, bow in. If your hands can't drop down to mats, so slightly bend your knees and hand down, elbows out, chest jaw in, hips above your ankle. Good. Coming in, inhale, palms up, feet pressing down, and slowly bring yourself up to extend to mountain. Exhale, hands down. Rock the thumbs. Inhale, arms up, overhead, tailbone down. A stretching side body. Exhale, arms, palms facing down as one diver down. Fingers or palms pressing down either side of your feet. If you can't touch them down, bend your knees slightly. Listen to your body, how far we can go. Back, neck, relax. And bend your knees. Step your left leg back. Inhale. Exhale. This time, draw your left knee down. Untuck your left toe. Slide your left hip forward. Right hand top of the right thigh. Left hand follow. Make sure your knee, right knee, above your ankle. And back of your shin and toe slightly pressing activity down. Lift your kneecaps and chest up. Palms facing forward. Inhale, arms up, overhead. Exhale, palms down, rotate, shoulder blades down. Two more like this. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Navel drop in. Draw your hands down either side of your right foot. Right foot up, step your right leg back. Half plank. Knee behind your hips. Squeeze inner thigh and pelvic floor together. Elbow hug into middle ribs. Chin down. Scoop forward. Belly down. Untuck your toes. Elbow hug into middle ribs. Chest up. Cobra. Exhale down. Two more like this. Inhale coming up. Elbow hug in. Exhale down. Last one. Extend your toes back. Inhale coming up. Exhale down. Draw your hip back towards your hips. Child's pose. Forehead down. Straight your arms. Hip jaw back towards your hips. 3 times deep breaths in here. Inhale to your back. Exhale, soften down. Forehead up, coming up halfway, looking down between hands. Remember, fingers open wider. Curl your toes down. Hip towards your hips. Extend your hips away from the hands. And then pressing the hips down. One by one. Stretching and pressing. Stretching the back of your legs. Calf muscles. Feet close together. Gazing between your hands. Take an inhale, left leg up. Hip and left toe down. Exhale, left knee in. Left hand coming up. And step forward. Inside of your left hand. Right knee down. Untucking the right toe. Slide your right thigh forward slightly. So squeeze inner thigh slightly. Left hand top left thigh. Right hand follow. Hands palms facing forward. Shoulder blades rolling back. Inhale, arms up. Overhead. Exhale. Rotate, arms down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Navel in slightly. Draw your hands down one by one. Curl your right toes down. Right knee up. And rock your right foot forward. Inhale. Feet together. Stretching forward halfway. Exhale. Bow in. Fingers either side of your feet, or if you can, back and neck relax, pressing the palms down, a deep fold forward. If you have back issues, remember to bend your knees slightly, back and neck relax. And take an inhale, arms up, over your head. And exhale, hands down to your heart. Hands on your hips. Bend your knees, step your left leg back. Open your legs, toes pointing in. So on the edge, feet pointing forward, arms overhead. Inhale, exhale, hands down to your heart. Hands slide down to hips. Extend to your chest, forward. And draw your hands down. Lift your chest, inhale, so your inner thigh must draw out, toe in. Exhale from here, hands walk in between your feet, palms up, back and neck relax. And walk your hands underneath your shoulders again. Toes in, heels in, toes in. Where we come, where we return, squats down. To a squat, you can take block underneath your sitting bone and palms together. Elbows draw out. Chest up. And release your hands down. Open your left leg. And draw back. And open your right leg. And come and draw back. And straight your legs. And relax your hands. And cross your shins together. And take an inhale, arms overhead. And exhale, hands down to your heart. And fingertip by your third eye. Hands down to your heart. And open your eyes. Thank you for practice. Hope you have a nice day. Namaste.